Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
In this video, we are going to take a look at three things. The first one is slope-intercept form of a line. Next, we'll see two examples of how to find the equation of a line passing through 2 points. And we'll also see how to find the equation of a line from graph.
Let's get started with that. As we all know that a straight line is a line in two-dimensional coordinate plane. And hence, the equation of a straight line is a linear equation in two variables. As you can see, the slope-intercept form of the line is given by y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the gradient of the line and c is the y-intercept. We already know what is the gradient of a line. Also, you can refer the previous video to check it out. Now, what is the y-intercept? It is the point of intersection of the line with y-axis. So in this case, as you can observe, the straight line intersects the y-axis at point 0, 3. And hence, the c or the y-intercept in this case is equal to 3. Let's take a look at an example. Find the equation of a line passing through 1, 2 and minus 2, 11. Now, in order to find the equation, we need two things. One is the gradient and the second is y-intercept. We know how to find the gradient. So let's find that first. So gradient in this case will be equal to change in y, that is 11 minus 2 upon change in x, that is minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 9 by minus 3, that is minus 3. Let's substitute this value of m in this standard form. So I get y is equal to minus 3x plus c. How to find this value of c? We know that this straight line passes through 2 points, 1, 2 and minus 2, 11, which means the coordinates of either of these points would satisfy this equation, correct? So, let's substitute the coordinates of one of the points in the line. Let's take 1, 2. For this point, the x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate is 2. So we'll put these values in this line. Hence, I get 2 is equal to minus 3 into 1 plus c. Now, 2 is equal to minus 3 plus c and hence c is equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Now, we have both the values, that is m as well as c. So, we have got the equation, which is y is equal to minus 3x plus 5. Let's move to the next example. Find the equation of a line passing through 1, minus 2 and 0, minus 4. Again, in this case, we need two things. The first one is the value of m, which is the gradient. And the second one is the y-intercept. Let's get started with it. First, let's find the gradient, which will be equal to vertical change upon horizontal change. Vertical change means y2 minus y1. So minus 4 minus minus 2 upon horizontal change, that is 0 minus 1. This becomes minus 4 plus 2 upon minus 1 and hence the value of m is minus 2 upon minus 1, which is equal to 2. Now, how to find the y-intercept? In this case, we have been given that the line passes through 0, minus 4 and 0, minus 4 is a point on the y-axis, right? And hence, minus 4 itself is the y-intercept of this line. Hence, the equation of this line is y is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay? So let's check the next example wherein we have been given the graph of a line. Now, how to find the equation from the graph? First, we'll find 2 points that lie on this line. So as you can see, we can take this point which has coordinates 1, 3. And the second point can be this one, which is 0, 7. Now, since we have 2 points, we can make use of them to find the gradient. So, gradient will be equal to y2 minus y1, which is 7 minus 3 upon x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus 1. So this becomes 4 upon minus 1, which is minus 4. Now we have the gradient. We can see that this straight line intersects the y-axis at point 0, 7, and hence that is the y-intercept. So the value of c is equal to 7. So we get the equation of line as y is equal to minus 4x plus 7. Okay? So that's it for today, and please like, share and subscribe the channel for more updates about educational videos. Stay tuned.